Hello everyone. Clock controls the world, but we control the clock. Myself, Namita Reddy, and my friends Netra and Raj Lakshmi of RMD Engineering College EC department are here to present our linear integrated circuits mini project on the topic gas detecting sensor. We would like to extend our gratitude to our project mentor, Mr. Jyoti Prasad, Assistant Professor RMD EC, who constantly motivated us in successful completion of a mini project. Here is the contents about the project, objective, components required, about MQ2 sensor, circuit connection, program code, illustration, and finally the conclusion. About our project. In our project, we used a Arduino-based MQ2 sensor, also known as gas sensor, which is used to detect combustible gases and smoke. The output voltage from the gas sensor increases with the concentration of gas. As we have seen the use of various gases in various fields, if there is any leakage of any such gases, then it can be detected and the harm can be minimized. It has a high response for LPG and natural gases. It also detects smoke but has a small sensitivity towards it. As we cannot use real-time gas for this mini project, we are using insensitive smoke. When any of these gases are detected, the sensor will sense those and the buzzer alarm will be turned on. Alarm will inform the locals and the family members that there is a leakage of gas somewhere so that they will take steps to minimize the harm. Over to Raj Lakshmi.
Objective of gas sensing detector. Nowadays, we see that with the increase in LPG gases, fire attacks due to gas leakage in buildings, restaurants, etc. are increasing severely. When the gas knob is left open accidentally for a few minutes, it only smells and it will not cause any damage. But when this prolongs for a long time and when accidentally, if there is any ignition near this area, the gas could rapidly catch fire and it may even cost life sometimes. This can even happen with vehicles which uses CNG when there is any leakage of the gas. To resolve and minimize this issue, here comes our gas detecting sensor as a savior, since it will sense the danger at leakage stage itself. If the leakage is of high intensity, the buzzer will start to give the alarming beep sound and the owners will be alerted so as to take the precautious measures, reducing the possibility of catching fire and further damage. As far as components is concerned, we have used Arduino Uno, MQ2 gas sensor, buzzer, jump wires, LEDs, and a breadboard. Let us know more about MQ2 sensor. MQ2 gas sensor is also known as chemiresistor. MQ2 is a metal oxide semiconductor type gas sensor. We have a voltage divider network which measures the concentrations of gas here. This sensor works on a 5-volt DC voltage and it can detect gases from 200 to 10,000 parts per million concentration. Now, how this works is when the sensor comes in contact with a gas or a smoke, the sensing material present in it automatically changes the value of the resistance and hence it detects the gas or smoke. Over to Netra.
Here is the final circuit connection of a gas detecting project. All the components are ultimately connected to the Arduino board. The MQ2 sensor has 3 pins, out of which the VCC pin is connected to the Arduino 5-volt pin, the ground is connected to the Arduino ground, and the analog pin is connected to the Arduino pin 5. Coming to the buzzer, the positive is connected to Arduino pin 13 and the negative is connected to the Arduino ground. Now, the anodes of blue and green LEDs are connected to pin 12 and 11 respectively, and the cathodes are connected to Arduino ground pin. Coming to the Arduino program, the green LED, blue LED, buzzer, and the analog pins are initialized to pin 11, 12, 10, and A5 of Arduino respectively. A threshold value of 400 is initialized to the sensor. The blue LED, green LED, and the buzzer are the output components, and the analog pin is the input components that is initialized in pin mode. As we see, if the analog value is greater than the threshold value, which is set to 400, the blue LED is made high and the green LED is made low with a buzzer sound. Else, the blue LED is low and the green LED is made high with no buzzer sound. Here comes the illustration of the project. Once the code is compiled and uploaded to the Arduino board, we could see the green LED glowing, indicating that there is no smoke detected. As we get the incense stick smoke near the MQ2 sensor, the blue LED glows with a buzzer sound, indicating the presence of smoke so that the required preventive measures can be taken. Over to Namita Reddy.
Here is the conclusion. We come across many families dying due to the gas leakages, and this can be prevented by using project like ours, as it can be aware of any danger that can be caused by gas leakage and further catching fire and causing more damage and danger. Its SMS technique can also be used with GSM technology to send messages to emergency services. We can also use it to detect various other gases other than LPG and CNG. It will be helpful in public places like malls, hospitals, hotels, etc. In such places, there is a huge rush of people, women, and small children. This system provides quick response rate and the diffusion of the critical situation can be made faster than the manual methods. Thank you.